seen what has happened, especially the ambassador here, the amount of destruction that has been caused by the good rains. It is good on this other side, and other results are terrible. There is no need for us to waste most of our time because the subject is very clear in front of you. All we are saying is that, please, can you give a hand to our people? The destruction is so massive. Schools have been destroyed, bridges, roads have been destroyed, lives of people, quite a number of people have died. Over how many?
Almost 270.
Yes, 271. Yes, and a number of things, diseases are coming up because of a lot of water and so forth. Now we are appealing for your assistance, from you as a government. It has been said by the minister. President Mugabe declared this as a national disaster, and therefore, as a follow-up of that, we are appealing for your assistance. Now, we are very conscious. We are appealing to the international taxpayers and our own taxpayers in Zimbabwe. We are very, very careful. We want that the money, whatever gestures you give to us, is put into proper use and it reaches the affected people. We want to come up with a structure which will in actual fact will also satisfy you, satisfy us, everybody. We've got our ministry, we've got two key ministries. The ministry which is affected, which is responsible for the job. Then we've got the ministry which is Ministry of Finance, which receives any type of assistance from anyone. We will want everything channeled within that what the please. It is very important for us. Important for you also to be assured that your money, according to some of the people, think that we take your money for other things. But we want to make sure that your money go to the affected people. Yes, I don't know whether you have agreed with the Reserve Bank. Money should be going into account of the Reserve Bank. So that at least what happens now on the ground, if bridge number so and so is being constructed, the company which is tendered goes to the Reserve Bank with the receipt or whatever, and then the Reserve Bank inspects and makes sure it says that the bridge that they've been constructed there deserves that company. I think that's the best thing we can do. That's what we're trying to achieve. Any other methods, we want to protect your taxpayers' money, want to protect our taxpayers' money as well, and make sure that there is a very clear and clean follow-up. Minister, I don't want to take much of your time, and I want you to discuss this now. And then this is a document, but it's supposed to be